Another way that you can communicate information about an attribute in your data is to divide your plot up into multiple plots, one for each level, letting you view them separately. This is called faceting, and ggplot makes it very easy with the facet_wrap function. To do that, we would go to a plot like this and add facet_wrap, parentheses. Now here we put a tilde, and then the attribute we would like to divide the plots by. For example, clarity. So let's zoom in on this by clicking the magnifying glass zoom button. We can see that now we've divided it into 8 subplots, each of which has one clarity value. We can see how the trend differs in between each of those subplots. We can still see that the color is representing the quality of the cut of the diamond. You can even divide your graph based on 2 different attributes, such as both color and clarity, using facet_grid. So in this case, that would be facet grid, and now you put color explained by clarity. The tilde means explained by. Now you can see that each column represents one of the clarity ratings, while each row represents one of the color ratings. And within the combination, you can see only those that match that color and that clarity. So faceting like this gives another way to communicate the relationships within your data. There are many other ways to customize a plot. For starters, you might want to set a title or set the X or Y axis labels manually. You change these options by adding to the end of the line of code. So to set the title, you would use the ggtitle function. Add ggtitle, parentheses, and then whatever you want your title to be in quotes. This adds a title to the top of your graph. If you'd like to change the X or Y axes, you would add xlab for xlabel, parentheses, then your custom xlabel. You might also want to limit the range of the X or Y axes. You can do that with the xlim or ylim options, which are also added to the end of the line. In this case, let's say we only want to look at the weights from 0 to 2 carats. We would do plus xlim 0 to 2. So that's xlim parentheses 0 to 2. Each of these options gets added on. That's the last one. Now we can see the x-axis will range only from 0 to 2. Similarly, if we want to represent only the y-axes from 0 to 10,000, we could put ylim 0, 10,000. Another possibility is to put one of the axes on a log scale. You can do this with the scale _ y _ log 10 function. So you add that on as an option, just like the other ones, and you have a parentheses after it. Now you've put the y-axis on a log scale. There are many other available options and customizations. Each gets added to the end of the plot just like these.